This question says, in the elastic collision of a heavy vehicle moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second and a small stone at rest, the stone will fly away with a velocity equal to. So we have a heavy vehicle moving, right? I have mass m moving with velocity u1 and mass 2 moving with, well, it's at rest, right? Equal to, we know, m1 v1 plus m2 v2. And because it is elastic collision, I can say half capital M into u1 square. I'll say small m. I've taken small m to be mass of the smaller mass, so it will be m capital M1, right? Plus half into small m into u2 square equal to m1, or I'll say capital M into v1 plus m2 is small m into v2. I need to find v2. What all things I know? I know u2 equal to 0. Now after solving this, we end up with an expression that velocity of the second body is m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into u2 plus 2m1 u1 by m1 plus m2. This is what is velocity of the second body. Now what all things we know? We know u2, initially it is at rest. Other thing that we know is, what is u1? u1 is equal to 10 meter per second, that is velocity of the first body. That's it. So I'll have v2 equal to 2 into mass of the first body into 10 by mass of the first body plus mass of the second body. Now we know that mass of the first body is very much greater than mass of the second body. M is very much greater than small m. So what will that imply? That will imply v2 equal to 2m into 10 by capital M, because other can be neglected. So that is equal to 20 meter per second. So it will be actually slightly less than 20 meter per second, but I can assume it to be 20 meter per second. So the answer for this question is 20 meter per second, option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.